Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to use the Kingbull Hunter electric bicycle. So I'll show you basic stuff and also how to go in programming and what touch and what not to touch in programming. So it's pretty simple. So over here is headlight. So once you turn it on, you basically push this button, hold it until this headlight is on. But before doing that, make sure your battery is on. There's a red button on the battery, you turn it on, then you push the middle one, M, hold it for a few seconds, the display will be on. Over here, headlight, on and off. This one is horn, that's it. Very simple and easy to use. To go in programming, you would need to push up and low at the same time. And you're going to be in programming now 1. As you can see, P01. So P01, it's a adjustment of the black light of the display, so it will be brighter or darker. So when you push again, it basically will go, if you don't touch for a few seconds, like it'll go back to normal. So you push again, then when you push M again, you'll go to P2. That changes miles to kilometers. Then you push again, it will be a voltage, number 3. Number 4, you don't touch it. Number 5, you don't touch it. Number 6, you should have like 28 wheel diameter. This is a wheel diameter. I would not touch it. I'll show you what to touch. Then you just go through the manual and you'll get the user manual. So if you don't get it, maybe you can contact the company. They'll send you a PDF file. But in user manual, it'll give you all this information, which P number, programming number means. So right now, we're going to go back and go over some of the information. So P07, you don't touch it. It's basically speed measurement magnet. It says 01. So you just leave it alone. Then so P08 would be speed limit. And it's 45 kilometers right now. And I just leave it at 45 because I changed to 100, make it unlimited. It didn't change anything at all while I was testing this bike, but you're welcome to change to 100. You will not see any difference. So you would go through all this pedal assist level until you get P18. P18, I'll explain you what it is. P18, let me go in so you can see. So I'm in right now, P08, then P18. Oops, I missed it. Since I'm going back, I'll go to, okay, P18, 115. When you get the bike, you will be 100. That's basically a speed ratio. And it can be from 50% to 150%. So I put 115, so it makes the speed odometer very accurate to GPS testing. So I tested with GPS, so 115 was accurate. You can also download the app from App Store or Apple Store. Like, I don't know what you have, like iPhone or Android. So whichever device you have, you can download free app for speedometer and test it with a GPS to see what the speed is going. So if it's going less than on GPS, then you're going higher numbers. If you're going faster than GPS shows, then you can reduce to ratio less than 100%. I put 115, that made it a more accurate speed. You don't have to change the wheel diameter, because before I usually change wheel diameter, that would affect as well, but I left it like this. And then number 11, also it's a useful, maybe you might want to test it out. Number 11, oops, I missed it. And number 11, that's gonna be like sensitivity and assist sensitivity settings. Range 1 to 24. I believe it's preset to number 3, so you can change it any number between. Okay, and that will make us like pedaling assistant is more aggressive or less aggressive. So it will be like more sensitive to pedal assist or less. I keep it less, so it will be more smoother ride. And there's more information, you can read it on and see, but again, make sure you memorize what you're changing, because that's up to you. Once you make the change, and if you forget it, it will be hard to go back and change it. So you need to remember what was original settings and then what you change to, so you can always go back and reset. There's also options to reset it, so you would have to read it. Also options to reset the trip, same way. The bike comes with a walk mode assist. So you push this button on the bottom, or here arrow down, you hold it for a few seconds, and you'll see the P pass is pedal assist. Basically it's activated, like P right here. So it's give you about 3.5 miles an hour assist. So this is designed for help you to walk with your bike uphill in a mud or snow, or whenever you need help with the bike. If you got flat tire, it basically moves the wheel with a slow speed. But again, that's a pedal. This is a walk assist. Some people call it different way, and that's how you use this bike. Over here is this gear shifter, and there is a throttle on the right side, but that's pretty simple. And there is a brakes, of course, and the horn. Very important to know where is the horn. Okay, and that's how you use Hunter and display. And again, if you have any questions, check your user manual. Most information you can find right here. Make sure you wear a helmet while you're riding. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.